Hi there, this is Darren from Treasure Life Family Farms, and today I just welded up something kind of neat, so I wanted to show you a little bit more about that. Alright, so this is an anker charging pad. You set your phone on it and it charges if you've got the kind of phone that does that. And well, if you don't know me, I've got a job where I sit at a desk looking at a computer all day. And when COVID hit, I started working from home and been working from home for a good year and a half now. And do a lot of calls on WebEx and Teams and Zoom and all kinds of spots. And so I've been doing this the whole time. I've got that bearing off the old go-kart and a couple pins or something with a rubber stem on it. Put my phone there so it can charge a little bit. I still have the plug-in style earbuds, so that's how I listen with it plugged in, which means I can't have it plugged in and charge while I'm listening. And this has just been kind of a mess because the phone slides down, the anchor moves. If you move anything, all this stuff moves. So I finally decided I had enough of that, and I spent about 10 minutes and I welded up this. Just a bunch of bad welding, a few bolts, and now the anchor sits in there real nice like that. Phone sits in there like that. Charging light comes on. Phone's charging. I'm doing my thing. I can open it and do all kinds of normal stuff. Need to pick up my phone, just grab it off there. Anchor stays there. Set it back in there, charging again. So anyways, I just thought that was pretty cool. So I wanted to share that. There's my little bolt phone holder. I think it's pretty neat. And that's my video. I just wanted to kind of show that off a little bit. You know, not every day I go invent something like that and weld that together. So, thanks for watching.